This is writing task 1. We will be discussing this question in this video. The plans below show the layout of a university sports center now and how it will look after redevelopment. Okay, the question is, here there are two plans, there are two diagrams. We can say university sports center presently, how it looks like, present is present day, and in future how it will be looking like, and with so many additional facilities like dance studios, changing rooms, sports center and all. Okay, let's discuss how to go about this question. Okay, how to write IELTS writing task 1. First important point in this type of questions, as I already told you, always do the paraphrasing of the question statement. Paraphrasing is important, as you know. Second important thing, look for the significant trends or changes in maps. You should look for these changes to write in overview paragraphs. Overview means second paragraph. You should write all these changes in the second paragraph. Next important point is plan for body para 1 and body para 2, like this, like we are used to do in writing task 2 also, planning for body para 1 and 2. Here you should do also in writing task 1 also. And here tenses. The fourth important point is, first is paraphrasing, second is significant changes, look for significant changes and plan for body 1 and body 2. And important point is which tenses we should use in these kinds of questions, especially in maps. In first para we will be using present tense, and in the second, of course, future tense, because it is already given here. It is present and it is future plans. Okay, now let's look at the first diagram. What we can see here, there is a reception area in front of entrance. This is a building, this is a sports center and the main building, and there are two outdoor courts, one in western, one in eastern side, and 25-meter pool behind the reception, and the gym is at the back of the sitting area. Okay, we have changing room also adjoining reception area. Okay, in the first paragraph we will be discussing all these things in the first paragraph, but in present tense. Okay, like let me show you in present tense what we can write. There is a one large building with two outdoor courts, one in east and west, one in western side. Okay, next is we have a reception area. We have a reception area, 25-meter pool behind the reception, a gym at the back side, and of course, as I told you, 25-meter pool behind the reception and a gym at the back of sitting area. Yes, in body para we will be writing like this, sequence wise we can write like this. Let's discuss the future plan. Future plan, here it is given future plans. Like we can see, these two outdoor courts has been developed into first one, the western side outdoor courts has been divided into leisure pool, and the second eastern side courts has been worked out into worked out into sports hall, and there would be two dance studios, as well as here it is, see, gym has been would be expanded up to dance studios. Yes, there's significant changes, like in the reception areas we have additional facilities like sports shop and cafe also. There would be two changing rooms in the sports complex area. Yes, let's revise it in my planning. Okay, first there are two outdoor courts would be merged. Here just look at the language, would be merged with the main building. Okay, now Western Court would be converted into large pool, and the other court would be into a sports hall and 2 studio for dance. Okay, next changes we can see 2 additional changing rooms would be provided, and with a new cafe and sports shop. We can plan this kind of these points into the body paragraph. With the help of these, you can easily write the writing task 1. And now let's look at the vocabulary for future tense. Of course, don't repeat the words will be, will, and every sentence you should not write the words will be done for this, will be extended, will be. No, this is absolutely wrong. You should write the different kinds of sentence structure for future tense. Like, let's look at the example. There are plans to build dance studios. You can write are plans. Plans here means in future. Second is the outdoor courts will be removed. Okay, next is the gym is going to be expanded. Is going to be expanded. Is going here means in future. In future it will be like to be expanded. Or we can write here the gym is expected to be expanded. Is expected here we can use this for future tense also. Next is a new sports hall is planned. Of course, this is also is planned here means it will be in future. Okay, next is there are plans. There are plans for new facilities such as cafe, sports shop, and so on. So these are the words which represents, these words also represents the future tense. Is expected, or if there is a plural, then we can say are expected. Is planned, are plans. Is going to be. Okay, quotes will be, of course this is future, are plans. These kinds of vocab you can use for future tense. So I hope this would be a very helpful video for you in attempting this kind of this kind of questions for writing task 1. Thank you so much.